The importance of content in SEO. Whenever you're crafting some content for your website, always ask yourself, what value does this content provide to the user? Google's main goal is to provide useful and relevant results to the user. As a result, Google's algorithm analyzes millions of search results and it returns a website which it believes answers a query the best. For example, if someone searches for wireless headphones, Google is going to return websites that all talk about wireless headphones or that sell wireless headphones on them. As you can imagine, there's going to be quite a few websites all talking about wireless headphones. However, if your website is one of the few websites that has extremely high content on it, such as no spelling errors, perfect grammar, your content is formatted correctly, then it's more likely that Google will return your site to the user, which is aka high rankings. However, if your content is subpar, Google will not return your site to the user, which results in low rankings. So you really need high quality content to stand out. Now we understand the basics of content and just how important content is. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can come up with tons of content ideas for your website.